Welcome to Lagilife channel. Lesson 561. What is the graph, GRT? The graph is an indexing protocol for querying data for networks like Ethereum and IPFS, powering many applications in both DRFI and the broader Web3 ecosystem. Anyone can build and publish open APIs, called subgraphs, that applications can query using GraphQL to retrieve blockchain data. There is a hosted service in production that makes it easy for developers to get started building on the graph, and the decentralized network will be launching later this year. The graph currently supports indexing data from Ethereum, IPFS, and POA, with more networks coming soon. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of the graph. To date, over 3,000 subgraphs have been deployed by thousands of developers for dApps like Uniswap, Synthetix, Aragon, AAVE, Gnosis, Balancer, LivePeer, Deostack, Decentraland, and many others. The graph usage has been growing at over 50% MOM and hit over 7 billion queries during the month of September 2020. The graph has a global community, including over 200 indexer nodes in the testnet and more than 2,000 curators in the curator program as of October 2020. To fund network development, the graph raised funds from community members, strategic VCs, and influential individuals in the blockchain community, including Coinbase Ventures, DCG, Framework, ParaFi Capital, CoinFund, DTC, Multicoin, Reciprocal Ventures, SPC, Tally Capital, and others. The Graph Foundation also successfully completed a public GRT sale with participation from 99 countries, not including the US. To date, as of November 2020, the graph has raised $25M. Who are the founders of the graph? The graph team includes professionals from the Ethereum Foundation, OpenZeppelin, Decentraland, Orchid, MuleSoft, leading up to the IPO and acquisition by Salesforce, Puppet, Red Hat, and Barclays. The initial co-founding team includes Yaniv Tal, project lead, Brandon Ramirez, research lead, and Janice Paulman, tech lead. The founders have engineering backgrounds and have worked together for 5 to 8 years. Tal and Ramirez studied electrical engineering at USC and worked together at MuleSoft, an API developer tools company that underwent an IPO and sold to Salesforce. They previously co-founded a developer tools startup together and have spent a significant portion of their careers working to optimize the API stack. At their last startup, the founders built a custom framework on an immutable database called Datomic. The graph was born from this vision to create immutable APIs and data access using the GraphQL query language. What makes the graph unique? The graph is working to bring reliable decentralized public infrastructure to the mainstream market. To ensure economic security of the graph network and the integrity of data being queried, participants use Graph Token, GRT. GRT is a work token that is locked up by indexers, curators, and delegators in order to provide indexing and curating services to the network. GRT will be an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, used to allocate resources in the network. Active indexers, curators, and delegators can earn income from the network proportional to the amount of work they perform and their GRT stake. Indexers earn indexing rewards, new issuance, and query fees, while curators earn a portion of query fees for the subgraphs they signal on. Delegators earn a portion of income earned by the indexer they delegate to. How many the graph, GRT, coins are there in circulation? Total GRT supply at mainnet launch will be 10 billion tokens, with an initial circulating supply of ~1, 245, 666, 867 GRT. New token issuance in the form of indexing rewards will begin at 3% annually and is subject to future technical governance by the Graph Council. You can read about GRT token economics here and distribution information here. How is the graph network secured? The graph has built an open data layer on top of blockchains. Indexers can run their own Ethereum archive nodes to run Graph Node, or they can use node operators like Infura or Alchemy. Any analytics company can build an application to query subgraph data that's indexed by the graph. Subgraphs are open APIs to be able to pull data from the blockchain in the most seamless and efficient way. The graph, GRT, is a decentralized and open-source protocol designed to index and query data from blockchains, making it more accessible for developers building decentralized applications, dApps. By organizing blockchain data into open APIs called subgraphs, the graph allows for efficient data retrieval using GraphQL, a popular query language. The graph, GRT, is a decentralized and open-source protocol designed to index and query data from blockchains, making it more accessible for developers building decentralized applications, dApps. By organizing blockchain data into open APIs called subgraphs, the graph allows for efficient data retrieval using GraphQL, a popular query language. The graph. Key features. Subgraphs. These are open-source APIs that enable developers to extract and organize blockchain data, facilitating efficient querying for dApps. Ecosystem participants. Indexers. Node operators who stake GRT tokens to provide indexing and querying services. Curators. Individuals or entities that organize and signal valuable data to be indexed. Delegators. Token holders who delegate their GRT to indexers to earn a portion of the rewards. GRT token, the native cryptocurrency of the graph, used for staking by indexers, curators, and delegators, and as a medium of exchange within the network. Use cases. The graph is utilized by various dApps across multiple blockchain networks to enhance data accessibility and efficiency. Notable projects leveraging the graph include Uniswap, Aave, and Decentraland. Conclusion. By providing a decentralized protocol for indexing and querying blockchain data, the graph plays a crucial role in the development and functionality of dApps, contributing significantly to the growth of the decentralized web, Web3.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel.